Welcome to Vision Academy, Daily Current Affairs in English. Date May 8, 2021. Let's start with international news. SpaceX Starship prototype rocket SN15. Elon Musk company SpaceX launched and then landed the latest prototype of its Starship rocket on May 6 in the fifth high altitude test flight of the system. Elon Musk launched a Starship prototype rocket serial number SN15 flew as high as 10 kilometers or about 33,000 feet. SN15 became the first Starship prototype to survive as high altitude launch. Purpose of this mission: SpaceX Starship system is made for sending humans and up to 100 tons of cargo to the moon and Mars. SpaceX got approval from NASA last month, awarded Musk space company $2.5 billion to use Starship for the agency's first two missions to the moon by 2024. Russia launches single-shot version Sputnik Light. Health official in Russia has launched a new type of corona vaccine called Sputnik Light. This Sputnik Light vaccine is 79.4% efficiency in preventing coronavirus when comparing to 91.6% for the two shot of Sputnik V. The vaccine has proven effective against all new strain of coronavirus. Sputnik Light has proven effective against all new strain of coronavirus as demonstrated by the Gamaleya Center during laboratory test. WHO panel okays with emergency use of China's Sinopharm vaccine. WHO, World Health Organization, gave emergency use authorization on May 7th to a COVID-19 vaccine manufactured by China's Sinopharm, potentially paving the way for millions of the doses to reach needy countries through UN-backed program rollout coronavirus vaccine. WHO previously approved for the vaccines are Pfizer, AstraZeneca, Johnson & Johnson, Sinopharm vaccine efficacy for symptomatic and hospitalized disease was estimated to be 79% all age group combined, WHO said. National news. People to visit cowin.gov.in for COVID vaccine registration. People to visit this website for COVID vaccine registration. The move comes as a fake mobile application has been found doing the rounds for COVID vaccination. In a message, it is being claimed that all people above the age of 18 years can download this mobile application through a given web link and register for vaccination. Former Supreme Court Judge M.Y. Iqbal passes away. Justice Iqbal passed away on Thursday night at the age of 70 in a private hospital. Justice Iqbal was elevated to the top court in December 2012 and deadmitted office after serving nearly 4 years on February 12, 2016. He became the High Court judge in May 1996 in Patna High Court and later went to Jharkhand after state bifurcation in 2000. He was appointed Chief Justice of Madras High Court in June 2010. The former Supreme Court judge had started his legal profession from Ranch in 1975. Tamil Nadu news. Corona treatment hospital empty bed details to find out via online. According to the health department, 963 people were diagnosed with corona in a single day basis in Coimbatore district yesterday. 2 people were killed. A total of 3.63 lakh people in the district have been vaccinated so far. The total of 6,515 people are in treatment in a district. 3,271 beds are ready. Details of the vacant beds in private hospital and government hospital we can find out using this website. Stalin sworn in as Tamil Nadu Chief Minister signs 5 order fulfilling key election promises. Dravida Munnetra Kalagam President M.K. Stalin was sworn in as Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu on May 7th. He is the third DMK leader to assume office as Chief Minister after CN Annadurai and M. Karunanidhi. Stalin signed 5 orders soon after assuming charges. Number 1. The government through an insurance scheme will pay for individual undergoing treatment for COVID-19 infection in private hospitals. Number 2. He also signed a file that granted rupees 4,000 per family per corona relief of 2.07 crore poor families. This will cost the government over rupees 4,000 crore. The disbursement will be in 2 installments of rupees 2,000 each. The first one will be paid in May. Point number 3. Women can travel government-owned city and town buses free of charge from May 8th. Government will make available a grant to the state-owned transport corporation to compensate for the loss on this account. Point number 4. The Chief Minister signed an order reducing the price of the milk by rupees 3 by liter on Avin, the Tamil Nadu Milk Marketing Federation. This will be implemented from May 16th. Point number 5. All complaints raised by the people will be acted on and disposed of within 100 days under the scheme called Chief Minister Enyo Constituency Scheme. New Corona Center to be opened in Chennai Trade Center in Nandambakam. Greater Chennai Corporation Commissioner G. Prakash launched a 500-bed institutional quarantine ward at Nandambakam Trade Center Complex in Alandur. Reportedly, the biggest in the country is a facility in Jaisalmer that has embedded 70 beds capacity. Chennai Corporation has almost completed work on installation of 800 oxygen supported beds in Chennai Trade Center amid Chennai facing crisis of COVID-19 bed supported with oxygen. CM M.K. Stalin along with officials inspected the center in Nandambakam. Appointments. Irayanbu is a new TN Chief Secretary. V. Irayanbu IAS has been appointed Tamil Nadu Chief Secretary on Friday. Irayanbu was earlier Additional Chief Secretary, Director of Anna Institute of Management and Director General of Training, has replaced Rajiv Ranjan as Chief Secretary. Additionally, 4 IAS officers were appointed as a Principal Secretary to CM. They are T. Udayachandran IAS, posted as Principal Secretary 1 to Chief Minister. Dr. P. Umanath IAS, posted as Principal Secretary 2, and M.S. Shanmugam IAS, posted as Secretary 3 to Chief Minister. Anu Jaj IAS, posted as Secretary number 4 to Chief Minister. The newly formed government has also appointed IAS officer Shilpa Prabhakar Satish to head the special division that was announced as the exclusive department to address people grievances within 100 days. Shilpa Prabhakar Satish to head the special division to address people's grievances within 100 days. Tamil Nadu's Chief Minister M.K. Stalin appointed IAS officer Shilpa Prabhakar Satish to head a special division that would take steps to readdress within 100 days. IAS officer Shilpa belongs to 2009 batch. She secured 49th rank in All India level in UPSC exam. In 2010, she worked as Deputy Collector in Tiruchi. In 2018, she is the first woman District Collector in Tirunelveli district. Important days. Bro celebrates 61st Raising Day on 7th May. Border Road Organization was formed on May 7th, 1960 with the primary goal of securing Indian borders and developing infrastructure in remote areas of India's north and northeast states. On 7th May 2021, Bro celebrates its 61st Raising Day or Foundation Day. The Director General of Bro is Lieutenant General Rajiv Chaudhary. The Bro headquarters located in New Delhi. World Athletics Day 2021. World Athletics Day 2021 is being celebrated on Friday, May 7th. The International Amateur Athletic Federation started celebrating World Athletics Day to promote participation in sports among the youngsters. It comes under IAAF's social responsibility project called Athletics for a Better World. This day was first started in 1996. Expected questions. Question number 1. Who is appointed as new Chief Secretary of Tamil Nadu? A. Rajiv Ranjan. B. Shanmugam. C. Irayanbu. D. Shilpa Prabhakar. Answer Irayanbu. Question number 2. Which state government to readdress people grievances called Ungal Togudiyil Mudhalamachar? The scheme was started. Which government started this scheme? Option A. Tamil Nadu. Option B. Puducherry. Option C. Kerala. Option D. Karnataka. Answer Tamil Nadu. Question number 3. Who was the former Supreme Court Justice deceased? Option A. Uday Lalil. Option B. M.Y. Iqbal. Option C. N.V. Ramana. Option D. Ajit Maniro. Answer M.Y. Iqbal. Question number 4. How many year anniversary celebrated by Border Road Organization? Option A 65, option B 55, option C 57, option D 61. Answer 61. Question number 5. Where is the headquarters of Pro located? Option A New Delhi, option B Bangalore, option C Mumbai, option D London. Answer Delhi, New Delhi. Question number 6. When was World Athletics Day observed? Answer question number option A May 5th, option B May 7th, option C May 10th, option D May 15th. Answer May 7th. Question number 7. Which country introduced Sputnik Light single shot vaccine to prevent coronavirus? Option A America, option B China, option C Russia, option D Brazil. Answer Russia. Question number 8. Which oxygen gave approval to China's vaccine Sinopharm? Option A WHO, option B UNICEF, option C UNESCO, option D WTO. Answer WHO. Question number 9. Who headed the special division to address people's grievance within 100 days? Option A Pila Rajesh, option B Shilpa Prabhakar, option C Sumita Sabharwal, option D Durga Prabhakar. Answer Shilpa Prabhakar. Question number 10. Which rocket will send the astronaut to moon in 2024? Option A Starship, option B Dragon, option C Falcon 9, option D New Shepard. Answer Starship. Question number 11. When the free bus service for women will be implemented? Option A May 16th, option B May 8th, option C May 5th, option D May 10th. Answer May 8th. For the daily current affairs updates, subscribe to Vision Academy YouTube channel. For the regular notification, press the bell icon without fail. Thank you.